Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. As we have talked in the previous video about kitchen materials, means kitchen utensils and cooking method. And cooking method fuels with their types. Today we will do some exercises that are given in your book. Let's come on page number 62. Here is the question. In the picture, you must have found some utensils used for cooking. Are there any other utensils used in your house for cooking? Which are they? As I told you in the previous video, food cook करने के लिए हम different utensils का use करते हैं, such as cooker, तवा, idli maker, bowl, spatula, fry pan. Next question is, what are utensils made of? Utensils are made of steel, copper, iron, glass, brass, plastic, etc. You may write your own answers also. Here is the next question. Which are the things we can eat raw and which ones we cook before eating? And which food we can eat both? मीन्स जिसे हम रॉ भी खा सकते हैं और ऐसे फूड जिसे हम कुक करके भी खा सकते हैं. सो इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम यू राइट द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन ईट रॉ. कैन यू टेल मी देयर नेम्स? यस, टोमेटो, कैरेट, रेडिश, कैबेज, fruits. We can eat raw. Let's come on the next column. Here you have to write things that are eaten cooked. Means ऐसे फूड जिसे आप कुक करके ईट करते हैं, सच एज वी ईट दाल, राइस, मैगी जो कि आपका फेवरेट है, चपाती एंड सम वेजिटेबल्स ऑल्सो वी ईट आफ्टर कुकिंग लाइक ब्रिंजल. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट कॉलम यू हैव टू राइट things that are eaten both raw and cooked, such as carrot, tomato, black gram and cabbage. Let's come on the next page. Here is the question. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was done to cook it? Write the sequence. Means आज आपको किचन में जाकर देखना है कि आपकी मम्मा कुकिंग कैसे करती है और उसके मेथड को राइट करना है. Suppose that आपको राइस बनाना है. Then what will you do? You will take a bowl of rice grains. Then clean them with plain water. Take about 2 glasses of water in a cooker. Put rice grains in a cooker. Cook for 1 or 2 whistles. Your rice is ready. Here is the next question. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of 2 things cooked by each of these methods. As we have described the cooking methods in the previous video so that you can write answers easily. And examples are also given here. Sweet potato, corn are the food items that are cooked by roasting. Potato and rice are the food items that are cooked by boiling. Puri and pakode or pakodi are cooked by frying. Biscuits, cake are baked. Now students, you may write your own answers also in baking. Let's come on the next page. Here is the question. Identify the picture and match these. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको पिक्चर्स के नेम राइट करने हैं और इन्हें मैच करना है. Answers are also given here. Now the next question is, which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? Write their names and the method of preparing them. Here also answers are given. You may write your own answers also. First is of mango shake and then sandwich. Let's know about mango shake. Cut mango into pieces. Add sugar and milk to the mango pulp. Mix it well and your mango shake is ready. Now let's know about sandwich. Cut tomatoes and cucumber. Apply butter on one side of the bread slice. Put vegetables on the bread slice. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Cover the bread slice with another one. The sandwich is ready. That's it for today, kids. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.